Hello everyone, I am Dheeraj. Welcome to our online classes. Today we are starting a new chapter called joint venture. What is the meaning of these two words, joint and venture? Joint means something is done together and venture means business. So basically joint venture means joint business. Joint venture means joint business. Joint means something is done together and venture means business. So something is done together with purpose of business, that is called joint venture. Okay, now let's understand the concept of joint venture with the help of three steps. First, meaning of joint venture. Second, some important point of joint venture. Third, characteristics of joint venture. Okay, meaning of joint venture. Joint venture is a special type of business. It is a special type of business which is executed by two or more person. It is a special type of business. Two and more person is educated. Such a business is undertaken for a specific type of business or for a certain period. It is for a certain period. As soon as that special business accomplished or special period is over, joint venture business comes to an end itself. Mean special purpose is completed, time duration is completed, so this joint venture business is also completed, business is also end. Okay. The co-venturer divided the profit and losses of business in a specified predetermined ratio. Co-venturer divide the profit of business in a specified predetermined ratio. Achha, who is the co-venturer? Co-venturer is the parties of joint venture. Members of joint venture, it is called co-venturer. Okay. Joint venture means joint business. Joint means two and more persons started a business with a specified project, specified business, specified work started for a certain period. It is called joint venture. I hope you understand the meaning of joint venture. Okay, let's start point number second. Some important point of joint venture. Okay, number one, joint venture is a temporary partnership. It is like a partnership, but it is a temporary partnership. Okay. Second, person agree to work in joint venture are called co-venture. Person agree to work in a joint venture. JV means joint venture. Person agree to work in joint venture are called co-venturer. Okay. Example of joint venture business. Which type of business are doing in joint venture? Building construction, import and export works, underwriting share and debentures of company, purchase and sale of particular articles. Okay. Repeat. Meaning of joint venture. Joint venture is a special business, two and more persons. When business is completed, time duration is certain period is completed, business is end. Joint venture is end. The parties of joint venture, it is called co-venturer. Okay. Some example of joint venture business. First, building of construction, import and export works, underwriting share and debenture of companies, purchase and sale of particular articles. Okay, students. Let's start characteristics of joint venture. Okay, students, we are discuss characteristics of joint venture. Characteristics of joint venture. Joint venture is always for a short period. Joint venture is doing always for a short period. Joint venture comes to end automatically as soon as that particular. Joint venture comes to end automatically as soon as that particular work is completed or specific time is over. Simple things. Joint venture means Joint venture means particular work is complete, specific time is complete, joint venture is also complete. Okay. Joint venture does not have any particular name. Joint venture does not have any particular name. Okay, students. Let's see. Understand the meaning of joint venture with the help of 7 things. Listen. First, it is a temporary partnership. Second, it's for a specific business, specific work, specific transactions. Third, it's for a certain period. It's only for a certain period. It's third things. Four things, special work complete, certain period is complete, joint venture is and. Joint business is and. Four steps is complete. Step number 5. It's fifth things is a person is work in a joint venture are called co-venturer. Sixth things is minimum member in joint venture is 2 and maximum members is no limits. 7 things, construction of building, export import works, some purchase and sale of items, for example of joint venture business. Now let's understand the joint venture concept with the help of some chart. Okay. Joint venture means joint business. Okay. First, it is a temporary partnership. Second, for certain period / short time period. Third, for a specific business. Fourth, work is completed, time is over, so joint venture comes to end. Work is completed, times is over, so joint venture comes to end automatically. Okay. Fifth, person is work in a joint venture are called co-venture. Minimum member is 2 and maximum member no limits. Building, constructions, purchase and sale of items and export and import works. These are the example of joint venture business. Second, joint venture. Joint plus venture. Something is done together. Venture means business. So joint venture means something is done together for the purpose of business. Okay, students. We understand the difference between joint venture and partnership. Now let's understand the difference between joint venture and partnership. Okay. Serial number, basis, joint venture and partnership. Point 1. Name, basis. Joint venture usually has no name. Partnership firm always has some name. Second, object. The object of joint venture is to work for a particular time or for particular business. It is continuous. Particular work is complete, particular time is complete, so joint venture is completed. But partnership is continuous when work is completed. Parties. The parties in joint venture are called co-venturers and here they are called partners. Act. No separate act. Indian Partnership Act 1932 is applicable for every partnership. Liability. In joint venture, limited liabilities. In partnership, unlimited liabilities. Number of members. Minimum members in joint venture 2 and maximum no limit. In partnership, minimum members is 2 and maximum 10 in the banking business and 20 in the other business. Relationship. In joint venture, co-venturers have no personal understanding. Relationship. In joint venture, co-venturers have personal understanding. No personal understanding. Have personal understanding, and in partnership, partners have relationship. Okay. Students, today is over.